Good morning, everyone. It's a little deja vu from the last time we did this, but we're on another Alaskan adventure to an ice cave. It's currently 6:40 in the morning and we're getting ready to go to Castner Glacier today. We went last year, but my in-laws are in town and we want them to experience the ice cave, so let's go take them to see it. Pulled off on this nice little pull-off rest area. Rest area is closed though, and everything is really icy. So gotta shuffle skate. I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Nope.
Alright, lad, back to the path.
Easy. There they are. Good old mountain range. It's awesome. To continue the trek to Castner Glacier. Road may be icy. That's why. Gotta make the path to handle some business. Whoop. You alright? Along the highway to get to the start of the trail. It's like super dangerous, but this is what we're gonna have to do to get to the trail. The parking lot where we parked at last year, it's all snowed in.
Come here.
It's all snowed in. So do what we gotta do in order to get there safely. The trail's a little icy. The thing about hiking in Alaska is that you really have to know your body and you have to know the temperature in which you're hiking to make sure you have the appropriate amount of layers. If you have too much and you're hiking pretty far, you're gonna start to sweat. And if it's too cold, that sweat's gonna freeze and you're gonna end up with frostbite. So, ensuring that you have like a base layer on that's moisture wicking, that also keeps the water away from your cotton layers, is always a good practice to do. I think we're about halfway there to the glacier, so it is getting pretty hot. I've been downgrading like my surface layers, so my neck gaiter. I have a second lined beanie on. I might take that off too because I'm getting pretty hot. As we get closer to the cave, you can see that there's a lot more people here than last year. There's a lot of kids sliding on the top of the glacier and stuff. There are way more people than last time. It's a lot less enjoyable.
I mean, last time we were the only ones there.
Yeah.
You're not?
So what do you think?
Pretty cool.
It might be more crowded than the last time we came, and you know, people's voices are echoing in the cave. However, it's still just as beautiful as last time. All right, we're going to the back now. Yeah, there's people all the way back there.
Yeah.
But apparently, the further back we go, after this, it opens up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what Carson said.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think so.
Here we go. Golly. So cool. That's so cool. That is so cool. Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
What does that say?
Trash boat. Are they coming? And that's how icy it is back here. You can ice skate. This is pretty cool though. This is pretty awesome. Oh! I didn't realize. This is so crazy. I love you.
Love you.
This is awesome. We're in, like, deep inside, deeper than we went last year. Got ice skaters, which is pretty cool. We got more crawlers over there. But we're underneath the ice crystals.
It's pretty cool.
Oh my god. Look at the formation of the ice. That's so crazy. Tastes like water. Try some.
Crunchy.
Yeah, very crunchy. Really? Mister.
You ready?
Is that you're doing?
I didn't do that.
Really? Penguin walk? Alright, final thoughts. Yeah, like the cave?
Yeah, cool. It's pretty cool.
This guy. Alright. That's about it for the 5 out of 6 stars. Yeah. It's awesome. It's pretty cool, pretty awesome. Although there were a lot of people, it's still just as beautiful as last time whenever we came. So we're gonna head back to Delta Junction. Oh yeah, there are way more people. Look at that. Train of people. We're gonna head back to Delta Junction, go grab some lunch from a good food truck called The Fire, and enjoy our time. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of traveling and a lot of cool adventures, especially in Alaska, which we are stationed in right now. And yeah, whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell, and you won't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!